Clearly the mechanical activities along with the electrical activities. Everything that is involved in pre-assembly that affects the plant assembly itself right up to the cold commissioning. Switching technology monitoring, test monitoring, coating monitoring, that's what we concentrate on.
When
we talk about assembly and commissioning, when we talk about installation, then we're talking about plants that are built in the countryside, like classic power stations or bridge building projects, but also renewable energies like offshore wind plants. That's a field we're very active in. One point is, of course, assembly on site. What are the conditions on the construction site? How can we incorporate it? Interfering edges are an important topic. Execution of welding work is important. Independent of the whole mechanical assembly, the task of getting the right tools in the right place. And what might serve as an example, we have an ongoing project where work is being carried out on an operational plant, a power plant. It's important to always keep that in mind so that the day-to-day running isn't disturbed. There's a phase when both the boiler assembly is taking place and at the same time the expansion of the shell construction is going on. The roof then has to be put in place and the crane lifts have to be coordinated, and this coordination is something that makes a large contribution to the quality management, the project management and the technical quality management, where the scheduling plays a part, and we have to keep all of this in mind. If each person only sees their own activities, they won't make any progress. It has to be unified. And the better that works, in terms of quality, in terms of time, in terms of project management, the better the project works.
Desto besser läuft auch dieses Projekt, ja.